Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this green goddess dip absolutely fresh and delicious. The ingredients you're going to need is 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of extra virgin oil, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Use fresh, it's best, and you'll taste the difference here in your dip. 1/2 cup of fresh basil, 4 teaspoons of dried dill weed. I would use 1/2 cup of dill weed if I have it. The conversion is 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs equals 1 teaspoon of dried herbs, 1/2 cup of fresh parsley, 2 shallots, and 2 cloves of garlic. Let me show you how we're going to get this together. I'm removing the skin off my shallots. I just cut off the end, and then I'm going to remove the outside layer of my shallot. Cut this down into quarters. In a food processor, I'm adding my shallots, my garlic cloves, parsley, dried dill, those fresh bay leaves, and oh my goodness, do they smell delicious. Salt, lemon juice. That smells yummy. We're gonna give this a lovely little pulsing. And you want to scrape down the sides of your food processor so you can get it well combined. I don't have the spout here on my food processor to add the oil, so I'm gonna gradually add it around and pulse it again. I'm adding that Greek yogurt into a medium-sized mixing bowl along with that mayonnaise, and we're adding that sour cream. Add your pepper with a whisk. Make sure you get it off your spatula. You're going to whisk these 4 ingredients together until they're well blended, and that looks absolutely fantastic. And if you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. Back with that herb and garlic mixture, we're going to add it right here into our cream mixture. And let me tell you, these flavors, if you let them sit 30 minutes after you make this dip, it tastes absolutely delicious, and everyone has enjoyed it, no matter where I take it. Children, adults, everyone. Now we're gonna mix this together until it's well blended. And if you could be here in my kitchen and smell the aroma from the garlic and the basil and the dill. In the serving dish it goes. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes or overnight before serving. Green goddess dip, served with carrots, cucumbers, broccoli, red bell peppers, and to decorate these vegetables, I've added parsley here and there to give it this lovely presentation. I'm going to go ahead and give this green goddess dip a try. Oh yeah, see how it sets up, and it's thick and rich. Here goes. Wow. First flavor, basil, shallots, the creaminess of the sour cream, that Greek yogurt, and that lemon juice is absolutely spectacular, you all. And smells absolutely delicious. If you want to use it for a dressing, you may. You can thin it out with a little bit of buttermilk, but it's definitely a thick dip that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Perfect for the holidays, perfect for get-togethers, perfect for a barbecue. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. You know what to do. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.